What's up, fam? It is Friday, and I'm headed down to East Wind Village. Castle to pack up the rest of our stuff. And I am on a different camera right now. I'm testing something out Uncle Stewie gave me. It is a Kickstarter project from Amkov, and it's a vlog cam. Kind of cool looking. Don't know how good it works. So we're gonna find out. It probably looks a little grainy. I do have my ND filter on right now, but this thing has a microphone. It's got a little viewing screen there that flips up, so I can see myself while I'm talking to the camera. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, remote handle with battery charger on it. Pretty cool. I did put an ND filter on here. It's got a macro lens on here. It's got a microphone with 0 dB to plus dB, and I'm not really sure how well you're hearing the motor of my car right now, but I know on my other microphones it picks it up pretty good and it cancels out my voice a little bit. So let's see how all this works out. Anyways, I'm headed to Z-Bones. We're going down to East Wind Village to finish cleanup and rip some packs, so we'll see you guys there. Peace. Well, what's up, fam? Here we are at East Wind Castle with my boy Spider Sugar and Z-Bones. We're taking down what was the backwoods course, and then we're going to rip some packs in the little village here. So testing out this cam I got from Uncle Stewie, see how it works out. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. I see I got some bokeh flares on there though. Some pretty cool. I guess I don't know if it's cool or not, but we'll see. I don't even know if you're looking at my face, you're looking at my chest, because I can't tell with this little screen. Whatever. Anyways, Spider Sugar is like samurai. This is samurai sugar right there. That's sugar samurai, or yeah, exactly, right? Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good shit. This is my guy. YouTube edits.
I'm guilty of it, but
no, I'm all about one pack.
Like max 2 minutes.
Yeah. I do like 2.5. Sometimes, now it depends for me. Sometimes I'll actually do like, if it's over 2.5 minutes, then it's just because I was really into it, and it's like the best shit's at the end of the flight. You know what I'm saying? Well, this is my ending, and I forgot to turn my mic on because I'm a dumbass and I forget things all the time. That's okay, because C-Bones said, just fucking roll your B-roll anyways. I'll wait, and he's waiting. Anyways, had a good time. Spider Sugar was down here. We flew a couple packs. We cleaned up the backwoods, and this is just me testing this little log cam that my buddy Casey gave me, Uncle Stewie, Mr. Castle Crash himself. And thank you very much, sir. You'll see this vlog on YouTube. Peace.